The first step in entering any of our contests is to fill out the required media contest entry form. We call this the overall contest form. This year, the form can be filled out electronically or completed neatly by hand and submitted by email, along with the contest materials. Details on this will follow. If your school participated in statewide contests in the past, you may recall a form we called self-analysis. That form is not part of the 2020 submissions. In order to access this year's overall contest media entry form, please visit ncsma.unc.edu and click the Statewide Media Contest tab. Scroll down the page and select the Entry Form button to access the interactive PDF and begin to work on completing the form. There are 4 sections to the entry form. The first is the basic school information. Please provide all information requested on the form, making special note to check off your school size and to correctly calculate contest fees. Once you have completed the basic information of your publication type, move on to the overall contest section. This required section explains what must be submitted with each copy of this form. Because we cannot accept forms or entries by mail this year, please pay very close attention to the requested information. Forms for newspaper or news magazines must be submitted electronically with 1 copy of 2 different issues as a PDF. Forms for online news sites must be submitted electronically with the URL typed on the form in the appropriate section. Forms for broadcast news should be submitted electronically with URLs to 2 newscasts typed on the form in the appropriate section. Forms for radio or podcasts should be submitted electronically with URLs to 2 programs typed on the form in the appropriate section. Forms for literary magazines must be submitted electronically with 1 copy of the magazine in a single PDF file. Forms for yearbooks should be submitted electronically along with a single PDF of spread requirements. We understand that it would be difficult to submit a single electronic copy of an entire yearbook, so we have detailed 13 spread requirements on the entry form for overall yearbook entries. These spreads will be representative of your 2019-2020 yearbooks. All entries must be from publications from the current school year. The next step is filling out section types. This section is completely optional. Section Contests recognizes student media components such as photography, advertising, design, and more. Each publication type has different section contests. The $25 flat fee enters each publication type in all of the section contests. In order to opt in, simply mark the box and add it to your total fee. The next section is individual contests. This section is also optional. Individual contests allow students to showcase their individual skills. The entries must be entered online. Each entry costs $5. For the list of all available individual contests, reference the form. To submit, locate the individual contest form at ncsma.unc.edu/contests. For a complete walkthrough on how to enter, view the Contest Submissions Preparing Individual Entries video. Once you have completed the overall contest form per publication, save and download the form to your desktop. Remember, do not mail anything to us. You will submit everything electronically this year, all in the same folder. Please continue to the next video in the series to learn the updated process on how to submit your overall media contest entry form and materials successfully. Thank you for your patience as we make these changes to ensure the 2020 statewide contests recognize student media work across our state.